Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block someone on TikTok without viewing profile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you gotta do is first of all access your particular TikTok app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, this kind of info is gonna pop up. So right over here, if you want to simply block someone, you have to simply tap on the profile and have to access and tap on this particular icon on top and tap on this block icon. But in case if you do not want to do that or do not want them to know that you have viewed their profile, you gotta go to this profile icon in the bottom right. Now tap on this little profile view icon on top of your username, top of your TikTok profile name, and that over here you will be able to find out all of the profiles that have viewed your profile. So afterwards, all you gotta do is tap on the square icon on top right and turn this setting off, and you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. So if you turn this off, and then if you simply gonna not now and gonna go back and try to view any particular user's profile, then they won't be able to know whether you have viewed or not. And you can tap on this share icon, tap on block, and you can simply block that user and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.